Outdoor living is almost synonymous with relaxation. A deck makes a great spot to eat, entertain, or just chill. Because it's a horizontal surface, wood decking is subject to constant wear and tear from exposure to the elements, foot traffic, and accumulating debris. Keeping your deck looking as good as possible for as long as possible requires some maintenance. Deck stain comes in 3 options: opaque, semi-transparent, and transparent. Depending on the age of the wood and the look you want to achieve will determine which one you select. ZAR comes in 3 finish options, from a clear to a solid, each offering a level of color that reveals more or less of the wood. Proper deck maintenance starts with a visual inspection and a moisture test. As you walk around your deck, notice cracks in the boards. These are vulnerable areas for premature wear of the coating. Along with checking for cracks, you'll want to prep and clean your deck wood. Be aware of mold, mildew, or algae. It can rot the wood if not removed. Look for small black spots or greenish black fuzzy spots. If you notice gray weathered wood, that's UV damage, and it's made the wood fibers loose. Remove the weathered surface before staining. Tannin stains are reddish-brown stains that occur when moisture draws natural acids to the wood surface. Remove the stains with oxalic acid or an oxalic-based solution. Look for old peeling surfaces and completely remove any failing stains or finishes to make way for new coatings. Remember, new wood is not always ready for staining. Mill glaze or lumber treatments might close the grain, making it resistant to stain penetration. To help prolong the life of your stain, try to sweep dirt, pollen, and leaves off of your deck on a regular basis. We also recommend sweeping light dustings of snow off the deck and removing heavier snow with a plastic shovel. While you may not look forward to deck maintenance, remember the old saying about an ounce of prevention. Sticking to a regular schedule of treating your deck will keep it in good condition.